So today we'll see a few problems for checking integrability and finding the solution of the Pfaffian differential equation. So here we'll use firstly ആദ്യത്തെ പ്രോബ്ലത്തിൽ നമുക്ക് ആ നെസസറി ആൻഡ് സഫിഷ്യൻറ്റ് കണ്ടീഷൻ വെച്ച് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യാം. സോ അതിൽ നമ്മൾ പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ യു ഹാവ് സ്റ്റാർട്ടഡ് വിത്ത് ടേക്കിംഗ് സെഡ് ആസ് എ കോൺസ്റ്റൻറ്റ്. സോ എങ്ങനെയാണ് സൊല്യൂഷൻ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നതെന്ന് വിൽ സീ ടുഡേ. So the first question is verify that the differential equation y square plus yz into dx plus xz plus z square into dy plus y square minus xy into dz equal to 0 is integrable, and you have to find its primitive. So by primitive you have to find the solution for the equation. Now for verifying integrability you need to show that x dot curl x is equal to 0. So x is a vector p, q, r. So I will calculate curl x first. So write down the components: y square plus yz, xz plus z square, then y square minus xy. So when you take the cross product, so you are going to get when you solve for it, you will get I 2y minus 2x minus 2z plus 2yj minus 2yk. Now find out x dot curl x. So x is a vector, y square plus yz, xz plus z square, then y square minus xy. So taking the dot product, you will get the value as 0. So therefore the equation is integrable. Now for solving the equation, we will take z to be a constant. Now when z is a constant, dz becomes equal to 0. So dz is 0 ആകുമ്പോൾ the first two terms only will remaining. So y into y plus z dx plus z into x plus z dy is equal to 0. So this can be rewritten as dx by z into x plus z plus dy by y into y plus z equal to 0. So I can write it as dx by z into x plus z. So using partial fraction, you can write it as 1 by y minus 1 by y plus z into dy by 1 by z. Now 1 by z is common in both the terms, so it's a constant, so that will go off. So you will get dx by x plus z plus dy by y minus dy by y plus z equal to 0. Now here together with x dx you have only a function of x. അതുപോലെ dy യുടെ function of y ആണ്. Here also function of y. Z is considered as a constant. Now on integrating you will get log x plus z into y by y plus z equal to an arbitrary constant. I am taking it as log c, and taking exponentials on both sides you will get x plus z y equal to c into y plus z. So where c is a constant. So that is the primitive for the given equation. And the second question is, okay, again you have to check whether the equation is integrable and you need to find a solution. So here x is a vector y, x, 2z. So I'm calculating curl x here. So curl x is 0. So if curl x is 0, then x dot curl x is equal to 0. And here you have the equation y dx plus x dy plus 2z dz equal to 0. Now you can see from the equation that it can be expressed as an exact differential. Y dx plus x dy is d of xy and 2z dz is d of z square. So on integrating you will get xy plus z square equal to c. So those are few examples for checking integrability and finding the primitives.